Page 329, this is the improvisation at the bottom of the page. The same thing we've been doing. You get to make up your own melody. Just use notes primarily in the chords, but you can use neighbor notes and passing notes and whatever. You can even put in ornaments if you want to. How fancy do you want to get? First, we need to know what the chords are, because the melody has to agree with the chords here. And this is going to be in Phrygian mode again. We're in E Phrygian. Well, let's look at E Phrygian. It's here. E major has 4 sharps. We're taking 4 sharps away. So now we're using all white keys. E Phrygian, all white keys. That's why the key signature doesn't have any sharps or flats in it. Yeah. And it's chords. E minor, D minor, E minor, F major, D minor, E minor. Okay, just these. All right. I need a melody that works with these. I could try a similar melody to what I've already done because I'm lazy to figure. I could have ended on an E, that'd make more sense. Or, you experiment with your melody. What note do you want to end on? I'm ending on a 1 chord or a tonic chord, so it would be, don't have to, just whatever. Try different patterns out in here if you want to. Experiment. Maybe you would like to use some inversions. Although these chords are so close together, you don't really need them. It's fine. But you can do that too.